With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question we have to find the magnitude of angle A. If 2 cos square A minus 3 cos A plus 1 is equals to 0. So the first part, that is 2 cos square A minus 3 cos A plus 1 is equals to 0. So we can write this equation as, here we can write this equation as 2 cos square A minus this 3 cos A can be written as 2 cos A minus cos A plus 1 is equals to 0. So we can take 2 cos A from here as common. So 2 cos A, here will be left is 1 cos A and here minus 1. And we can take minus common from here. So minus 1, we will get cos A minus 1 is equals to 0. Now cos A minus 1, the bracket is same in both. So we can take this out also. So cos A minus 1 is common and we will left with 2 cos A minus 1 is equals to 0. Now from this equation we get that cos A minus 1 is equals to 0 and 2 cos A is equals to minus 1 is equals to 0. Now from this we get cos A is equals to 1, which is A is equal to 90 degree and A is equals to 0 degree and cos A is equals to 1 by 2, which is A is equals to 60 degree. So now if we get into the answer, we are given that magnitude of angle A. So magnitude will be, it can't be 0, right? The actual answer will be not 0. It will be A is equals to 60 degree for the first part. This is the answer of first part. A is equals to 60 degree. Now for the second part question is given as 2 tan 3a into cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1 is equals to 2 cos 3a. Okay, so here we can write this as, so the second question we are gonna write this. So here in the new line, second question is 2 times tan 3a into cos 3a and minus 3 tan a minus 3 minus tan 3a plus 1 is equals to what? 2 cos 3a. 2 cos 3a. Okay, so here this is the question. Okay, so here we can do one thing. We can split this into one term, and here what we can do, that we can write this as tan 3a into cos 3a plus, or we can do one thing, we can take tan 3a common from these two terms. So taking tan 3a common, tan 3a, we will get 2 cos 3a minus 1 here plus 1 is equals to 2 cos 3a. Okay, now what we can do, we can take this cos 3a to the left hand side. So tan of 3a multiplied by 2 cos 3a minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos 3a is equals to 0. Now tan 3a multiplied by 2 cos 3a minus 1, and we will take minus 1 common from here. So we will left with 2 cos 3a minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we will take 2 cos 3a minus 1 from this common. So we will get 2 cos 3a minus 1 in first bracket and tan 3a minus 1 in second bracket is equals to 0. Okay, now what we are gonna do that here we can get two answers, that cos 3a is equals to 2 cos 3a is equal minus 1 is equals to 0 and tan 3a minus 1 is equals to 0. So if tan 3a is equals to 1, that means thrice of a is equals to 45 degree. So a is equals to 15 degree. Okay, one answer will be this and the second answer would be 2 cos 3a is equals to 1. So from here cos 3a will be equal to 1 by 2. 3a will be equal to 1 by 2 is what, 60 degree. So this can also be a is equals to 20 degree. But we are gonna ask, we have given that the magnitude of angle A. So this angle 20 will not hold in the equation and only 15 will hold. So here A is equals to 15 degree. So our final answer. Now we have got the answer of second part also. A is equals to 15 degree and the first part answer was A is equals to 60 degree. This 0 is neglected because A is equals to 0 was not a solution of this question, and here A is equals to 20 is also not the solution of this question, only A is equals to 15 is. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.